welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a haul from scrapbook.com. I do have an affiliate link. I will post it below for you. Definitely check them out. They're one of my favorite websites to purchase from. And if you want to purchase using the affiliate link will support me a little bit. I do get a small portion of your sale at no cost to you. Affiliate links are free for you guys. But I did maybe buy too much. But let's see what's inside. Okay, get rid of all this plastic. Straight into the recycling. Okay, first up is 49 Market. Beautiful, beautiful papers from them. I got the Lilac Collection. This is the mini pack, 6x6 paper pad. 16 double-sided pattern papers. Says 3x4 double-sided collection papers, 3x1 lilac fussy cut element sheets, and 1x1 bonus neutral fussy cut element sheets. So look, even that cover page is part of it. So that is awesome. These are gorgeous. I love purple. And the lilac color is just soft and gorgeous. Ooh, those would look good together. Coordinates very well. Here's one of the fussy cut elements. Look at those pretty butterflies. There's another one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oops. Oh, that's the last one. So that must be the bonus one. So super pretty. Get rid of this knife before we poke ourselves. Next up, I got the Lilac Ephemera Stack to go with it. So definitely use the packaging also. Look at how pretty that is. So just some gorgeous embellishments, ephemera to use with it while I'm creating my journal page. I love this one. It looks like you get, oh, I got 2 of each, maybe not. Either way. There's 34 pieces, mix and match. It's from a library book back in the day. I like how they have some neutral colors in here too that look really good with it. Oh, look at that. Very cool. I love this. I will definitely be getting more of these. And they look great in junk journals or just regular journals, any mixed media work, anything like that. I also have another one from the Lilac Mini Collection. It's a duplicate because I always have problems picking which side I like. So there's 2 of those. Then I got this one. So this is the 12x12 paper from the Lilac Mini Collection. I was super excited for this one. I saw it on Meremy Small Art quite a while ago. But look at these die cut elements. How gorgeous are those? So I think I was looking at the Sage or the Natural collection with Meremy, and then I saw this Lilac collection on there, and I had to get it. These butterflies, I mean, everything looks so soft and delicate. It is awesome. This window is amazing. Okay. So that is really why I got the 12x12 collection. But here's another page. And then we've got some papers to go with it. How pretty is that? It's almost like I just need to put a photo there and it's already done. Everything's done for me. Maybe a couple flowers on top of it. So if you are a scrapbooker, definitely check out these papers. They are so cool. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that was the 49 Market Lilac collection that I got. On top of that, I got a couple other things. So I am working on getting the My Memory book from Tonic Studios, but every time I look for certain pieces, people are out. So I was finally able to find some of them, not all of them, but some of them at scrapbook.com. So what I found was, this is the base set. So this is everything I need to make the base book. And then this is the flower die set for decoration. So for this book. So I'm super excited I'll be able to make this book. This one, I was not able to find the decoration, but I was able to find the base set here. So I got the base set. I have the decoration coming from a different company. Sorry, scrapbook.com. You get it where you can find it, right? So that will be coming. It might even be coming off of eBay. I don't know. Wherever I found it, I was desperate. The only thing I'm missing is the simple spines. I have not been able to find that anywhere. So if you guys know where to get it, please let me know. They have it in stock. Please let me know. Hopefully not a ton in shipping. I don't like paying a lot of shipping costs. But I'm super excited, so stay tuned. There will definitely be a video on that. They also sent me this for free. This is just Scrapbook and Cards Today, their magazine, which have a ton of great ideas, different suggestions on different yeah, anyways, different ideas for layouts. There we go. Now I can say it. I've been feeling a little under the weather lately, so please excuse me. But super excited for this as well. I have so many great ideas on outlines and templates and stuff like that in here. So tips, tricks, and techniques. And then of course, yes, there's definitely ads. So if you want to see any new items, they have those as well. I am also working on a video for you where I got some amazing papers from a wonderful friend of mine, Darkest Ravens Design, Chantal. She sent me this kaleidoscope paper pack, and when I found this paper, I couldn't resist because I love these papers. I'm actually at the point that I'm like, I don't want to use them, but I thought this would be really cool to do some strips to add to those papers that she got me. And then who can resist? So just a couple pieces of paper that I purchased as well from scrapbook.com to go along with it. That was a lot. Let me know what you think in the description box below. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close. Thanks for watching and have a great day.